In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find YouTube videos and ads you've watched. This is really helpful if you ever think, I saw that video before but I can't remember the title, or if you want to review ads that caught your attention. I'll walk you through where to look in your YouTube account, how to see your full watch history, and how ads fit into that history, all in a clear and simple way. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, because your watch history is tied to the account you're using. If you use multiple profiles, take a second to switch to the one where you usually watch YouTube. Once you're sure you're in the right account, open YouTube in your browser or the YouTube app. Next, look for the main menu. On desktop, this is the left sidebar. On mobile, it's usually the bottom or top menu bar. Here you'll see an option called History. Go ahead and click or tap on History. This is the central place where YouTube shows everything you've recently watched. On the History page, you'll see a chronological list of videos you've viewed, starting with the most recent. You can scroll down to go back in time and look for the video you're trying to find. If the list is long, use the search bar at the top of the History page. Type in a keyword you remember from the title, the topic, or even the name of the creator. YouTube will filter your watch history based on what you type, which makes it much easier to track down specific videos. Now, when it comes to ads, they are often included in your activity as well, especially through your broader Google account settings. To dig deeper, look for a link or option that says something like Manage All History or My Google Activity. This will open a page where you can see your YouTube watch history in more detail, and in some cases, interactions with ads you've viewed. Here, you can refine the results by date and by product. Choose YouTube as the product and then scroll through to look for videos or ads you remember. Keep in mind that if you've turned off watch history in the past or manually deleted items, those videos or ads will not appear here. Finally, you can manage your history settings so that future videos and ads are easier to find. From the same area, you can choose whether YouTube saves your watch history, auto-deletes it after a certain period, or pauses it temporarily, and that's it. By checking your YouTube history and your Google activity, you can reliably find videos and many of the ads you've watched and keep better control over what gets saved going forward.